Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm Caleb Jones, back at it again with another video. Today, this video right here is called the Human Bird Bath. So, hopefully you like this video. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. You feel me? Alright, so right here, we got some body wash. We got a bar of soap. And we got a little monkey. Wooka, 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 wooka. So, we're gonna take a bird bath. Lordy is so cool. And that's how you stay clean, baby. Bird bath.
Like a random, she gon' shake it. Like a random, wow. Like.
Alright, so we're gonna be taking a bird bath right now. Grab our soap.
I hope y'all can see this nasty ass water. This shit is fucking disgusting. I'm doing this shit for y'all. For y'all people that follow me and people who subscribe to my channel. This shit is fucking nasty. If I get sick, I'm suing all my subscribers.
It's hard for me to explain why that was the case. Just take my word for it.
The water smells too.
It smells like shit. It smells like somebody just took a big ass dookie in this nasty ass water. So I'm about to take a bird bath in this shit for y'all.